Hello guys, so in today's video, oh okay, so in today's video we're gonna see the lecture 5 of SAT Math, okay? Let's just write SAT Math. Okay, tomorrow my stylus will arrive, so my handwriting would be better than this. So, so this is the first law of exponent, okay? Okay, let me just introduce exponents to you. So, first of all, what is exponent, okay? So exponent is nothing but repeated multiplication. Repeated multiplication. Okay? So x squared equals x into x. Okay? And then you have x cubed equals x into x into x. So this power is just a number of times you multiply x by itself, right? So x power 1 by 2, that's equal to the square root of x, which is 1 by 2. You just have to understand the concept for that. So now let's see the loss of exponent. Okay, so the loss. Okay, so we have uh, a power m into a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So I guess this must be pretty easy for you, like even to apply it. So this is the first law, and then the second law, a power m by a power n equals a power m minus n. Okay, so this is the second law. Make sure these two are the same. Like it can be anything, but they both must be same. Here also, you see. So a power m power n. Let me just erase this one. Okay. So a power m power n, this is equal to a power m into n. Okay, so these are the first three laws. I guess you have noted these down. So let's move on to the fourth law. So let's erase these. So we have 4. A power 1 equals a. I guess this is all well known. So we had this x power 1 equals x. You're doing that only one time, right? So that's how it works. So 5, a power 0 equals 1. A can be anything. For anything, if it's a power 0, it's 1. 5 power 0, 4 power 0, anything. 125 power 0, anything you take, everything equals 1. Okay? So I guess it's pretty clear to you. So we'll go to the next law. So we have a by b power m. Now this is equal to a power m by b power m. Make sure these are the same, like these powers are the same as this. Okay, so and you also see for the brackets, I'll just erase these. Okay, so we have the seventh law, a power minus m equals 1 by a power m. Okay, let's say they're asking you what is 2 power minus 2. Okay, now you just don't panic. 1 by 2 squared, which is 1 by 4. Okay, so there's nothing to be afraid. If they give negative powers, you just reciprocal this one. If they give negative powers, it becomes positive when you reciprocal the fraction. So the eighth one. So we have this a power x by y, okay, equals this like the white root of a power x. So let's say they're asking you 2 power um 2, I mean no, let's say something else. Okay, that's possible. Okay, I'll give you a question so that you'll understand. See, they're asking you 2 into 2 power um 3, the whole power 1 by 2. So I guess you must be able to understand this. Okay, so now how you do this question is this is equal to 2 power 4 1 by 2, right? So I guess this is understandable. This is 2 power 1 and this is a, right? So we take this as a. So you just add these powers, the first law we are using. So 4 by 2, so this becomes 2, this becomes 1. So this becomes 2 squared equals 4. And there's also another method you can take this question on. So let me just show it to you. So again, you write 2 power 4 or 1 by 2. But here you write 2 power 4, but you take the square root. Like we're applying this identity. Okay? This law, right? So this is the square root of 16, right? You can write this 2, but you don't actually have to. If you want, you can write. There's not an issue. But for square roots, we don't usually write this. We just directly do it. So this is equal to 4. So finally, we're all getting the same answer, right? So now I'll give you some methods to find square roots and those stuff and power 5. Okay, so you have 2 power x equals 32. They're asking x is what? Okay, what's x, right? So you do prime factorization. 32 here, that is you draw the factor tree, okay, to be more professional. So this is 32, this is 16 into 2, again 2, 8, 4 into 2, and then again 2 into 2. I think this is so messy, I'll just redo it. It's so 32, 16 into 2, and this is 8 into 2, and this is 4 into 2, and finally this is 2 into 2. So I guess now you can understand this. So count how many prime factors are there. So 2 is there. Let's draw tally mark or something. No, not tally mark. Okay, here there's a 2 and 2 twos, 3 twos, 4 twos, and 5 twos. So that's 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay? So which is 2 power 5 equals 32. Now, we can't write this 2 power 5. They're asking x, not 2 power x. Or else the question would have had the answer, right? So let me just erase these and just write the answer. So x equals 5. I guess you understood this. Okay, let's check how long the video had went. Okay, uh, that's not so bad. Okay, now I'll give you a cool question. Like this is an SAT PYQ, a past year question. Okay, x power x equals 2048. X equals what? So now this is really cool, guys, but so easy as well. So let's say 1024 into 2, right? Uh, Wait a minute. Why am I doing this? See, this power 1, 1024. I think I had the answer. 512256. Hmm, no, why am I having this? 512. So they gave it 2448. 256, 128. Let me just check it out. Just a minute. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. You guys were not wrong. Actually, we actually got the answer right, but the question was a little wrong. This is 2 power 2048. Sorry, that's my bad. You guys got it correct. So that's 2 power 1024 into 2, right? So which is equal to 4 power 1024, which is equal to 2 power 512 into 2, which is equal to, I mean, this is 4, right? So 16 power 512. Let me just erase this. I don't have much space on here. 16 power 512 is our last result. So 16, okay? So this is equal to 16 into 256 into 2. So this is 256 power 256. You see? So this this is equal to this. You got it, right? So x equals 256. Okay, so this is an easy method you can use. This is, I mean, this is all what you need to solve these type of questions. Just a little thinking and exponential laws. But I'll show you the complex proper method. I don't know if I'll definitely get it, but you apply log on both sides. I don't expect you to know log, but I'm just showing it simply. Log 2, right? So this is equal to log 2 power 2048. Now this combines, so this is log 256 power 256. So in the left hand side, it's log x power x. So you got it, right? You just apply anti-log on both sides, so log cancels. So you get this finally, but I don't recommend anyone doing this because it's way too complex to do. Okay, just a minute, we have one more. I don't have much time, so I'll just pause the video. Okay, let's just see this quickly. So it's ratio, this distance is k into m, and this is k into n. So the ratio is m is to n, okay? K can be anything. The ratio is just m is to n. You don't need k, okay? Okay, so they give you x1, x1, y, x1, y1, x2, y2, and p cuts the line in certain part. P is a point that cuts the line and divides the line in like into two lines, where the first line is to second line. Those distances is m is to n. So we have this formula. The point P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So midpoint means m is to n is 1 is to 1. This is the midpoint, right? So both will be equal distance, right? So that's 1 is to 1. So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.